Ooh, we are live. Look at that. Live. The glorious 60. I don't know why you're bigger than my screen. Literally every time. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hey. Hello. Still haven't done Owncast stuff. But that's okay. Alright, I don't know what to do. Didn't really announce anything. Took a break off last week because I wanted to focus more on developing the game, and I found that, I don't know, I just don't think that having me sit down and like read a bunch of documentation and like hem and haw and essentially just get stuck on things is entertaining. Maybe I just need to talk more through my problem instead of just kind of dumping the solution onto the viewers. I don't know. That might need to be warmer, or just need more of it. I don't know. But yeah, took a week off. Going to kind of just talk, I guess, this little intro about what I've done. So last time I streamed, I think it was the 23rd that I looked up. Fixed line endings apparently. Yes, we got a simple player idle animation implemented. So I think about how I animate. Okay, yeah. Okay, so since then, I guess I updated the Windows build file. Ignored ctime files. That's a Windows utility that I use. I think Casey Mortori made that. Actually, he did make it, and I'm using it. Added animations. All the sprite sheets are loaded into global animation sets. Both player and enemy use their idle animations. Let's start. To change the animations when they select actions. Alright, got the boss. Okay, well I guess I can just kind of show off the animations real quick. Terminal. Okay, well that's what I've been using, bin and this. Alright, so we have these idle animations. Animations in the strictest sense, obviously, they don't really do much. Here I kind of show. I think I did do some of this. So we have this sprite animation. I think I did some of this on stream. But basically it's a texture, and we have the number of frames that is decided based off of how wide the texture is. And then we have the current frame, which is a rectangle on the current animation. Max frame counter. Oh, this is just how many. So instead of having like a frame rate, kind of encoded it in a roundabout way. So instead of saying like, oh, this animation runs at 15 frames a second, I instead kind of like flip that, where it's like, oh, this is how many frames until, how many rendered frames until we switch to the new frame, right? So 15 frames would be, I think, you animate at 1/4 of a second. Which I think, what is that? Oh, is that just 15? Yeah, okay, then that's just, yeah, 15. No. No, what is that? It is 4 frames a second. Yeah, see, like it doesn't translate well, but basically, and this isn't a permanent solution. I need to like actually time these and have these flip like on a timer, because if we decrease to 30 frames a second, it's going to be slower. Right now we're at 60, so it's fine. But if we go to 30, it's going to happen way slower because we're counting frames, not time. And if we go to like 120, it's going to happen like twice as fast. So just the flipping of the animations, like everything else is interpolated based off of delta time. I actually haven't thought about this problem until just now, so that'll need to be fixed. But for now, we just naively count the frames every time we render, or every time we update the sprite. Every time we draw the sprite, we count that as a frame. And then as we use this counter, once this matches or exceeds the max frame counter, then we set the counter, this counter, to 0, and we move the current frame along in the texture. Yeah, there's just these strips, right, of attacks, right? And so we just render this for however many frames I said to do. I think attacks faster, so I think we render these at like 8. So it'll spend 8 frames on 1, and then it'll move to 2 for 8 frames, and it'll move to 3 for 8 frames, 4 and 5. And so this isn't loopable. So once it's done with 5, it'll say that we're complete, and then we'll move on in the process. I can explain that in a little later, but the idle will just, once it, like, we have logic that's like once we go beyond the end of the width of the texture, then we go back to the first frame. Idle is loopable. So these will be replaced with actual sprite sheets, or actual character sheets. Probably I'm just going to keep it like this because I'm lazy. I don't really have, unless I have like a performance reason, not a performance reason, but like a memory reason, either on disk space or RAM, which I don't think I'm going to run into. Sorry, my OBS. I am live though, right? Yeah. Oh, bitrate's fucked. No, bitrate's fine. Okay, sorry. I was worried. I updated my my system a couple days ago, and it like messed up all my icons. So like you can't see it because I'm occluding it. My face is occluding it, but like I have the task manager, and it says like OBS is recording. It just has green text that says, or blue text. I'm not colorblind. It has blue text that says rec. Usually it has like that red circle showing that I'm live. So I was just panicking for a second, making sure that I'm actually live and not just recording and talking to myself, because that would be embarrassing. I'd rather be live and talking to myself. So yeah, so we have that. I can show that off. Do I have one term? Yes, I do. Oh, it's running perfect. So yeah, now we have this fireball animation, and then we spawn the fireball, and they defended, and then we heal, they defend again, and we attack, which consists of a run, and then our attack, and then we run back. And so that's what I was talking about before, where like idle and the run animation is loopable, but like once we go into attack, that's what we use that completed boolean for right now, is just like let me know when it's completed. If it's loopable, it never sets the completed state, so we never check it. But for like one-off things, for like attack, like you just want to do that one attack, and then like once it gets to the end, yeah, basically if it's loopable, it'll loop. It's the same logic of like, oh, have we reached the end of the sprite strip, is what I'm calling it, I guess. If it's loopable, we go back to the beginning. If it's not loopable, then we set completed to true. And then we have another thing, basically just listening or just polling for like, hey, have you completed? Hey, have you completed? And if you completed, then it goes on to the next thing, which is process damage, which deals damage. And then after process damage is done, then we run back, which we just wait for the interpolation, and we just keep repeating the run animation until we get to the end. Or until we get to our location. No, I like it loud. So yeah, that's that. I also did some other things. We'll just review some of that. Got boss animating. Oh yeah, we did player and enemy stat scaling is exponential, and it happens in the town hall. And player can also, here, I'll just get to the town hall so I can show everyone. Hopefully I don't die. Oh wow. He is weak. We're gonna min-max. Okay, so the town hall is different. Kind of jumping ahead of myself, but like now every time you reach to the town hall, the enemy floor and maximum values for health, attack, and defense all increase. And then also to coincide that, I'm getting ahead of myself again, we can level up. I'll explain that in a little bit. And then also I did this today basically, because before it was just like, oh, what was it? Oh, it was increase max health and restore health. And so I got rid of that in favor of level up. But now, so here, I'll just do this because it's going to be really hard. But now, let me go back over to here. We can see yeah, so when we, okay, so it already increased it. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, so we go from before the stages 1 through 5. I also renamed it to stages to not confuse with enemy or player level. But stages 1 through 5 before you get to the town hall, the floor is 2 for all stats, and then the maximum health is 6, 5, and 4. Or sorry, maximum health is 6, maximum attack is 5, and maximum defense is 4. And that increases after you get out of the town hall. The floor becomes 5, which is way too much, and then health is 13, which is also way too much, and attack is 11, which is way too much, and then defense is 9, which is probably okay. We'll get back to that in a little bit. So yeah, that all works. We're on stage 6, and so it's random right now. So there's no like ramping within the 5 levels. So in between town halls right now, and this is something I want to fix, in between town halls, like it doesn't get more difficult until you get to a boss. It doesn't get more difficult really. Just that 6 or 1 through 5, and then 6 through 10 are like separated, and like you can get any variation from the stat distribution, or from the stat random number generator, which I leaked it, but I misspoke and I leaked it. But I do want to do stat distribution because this isn't good. I don't want to get like unlucky rolls where like an enemy just gets 13, 11, 9, because that's not great. So what I want is like, oh, we're going to like probably take in like the stage. I might make it exponential on the stage, and that's how many points that can be allotted to all of these stats. And then based off of the stage number, we're like, oh, we're gonna set this much for health, this much for attack, and this much for defense. So it feels a little more even. You're not gonna get like an enemy that has 5 health and then like 11 attack and then 9 defense, right? Or like something that has like 13 health but like 5 attack and then 5 defense, right? Because it just feels not great. So yeah, I want stat distribution, and that can also play into, is that the next thing? I removed that wasn't supposed to be in there. Oh yeah, we saw that in the town hall. I can't actually get past the boss right now because it's too hard because of this. But yeah, you saw the player now gets experience. So anytime it kills something, it gets like 25 experience. I think I increased that. between stages, or between chunks of stages, between town halls, I guess I should say. And then you can spend it. And then in the future, I want to be able to buy abilities. So like it might not be experience, to be honest. I might just make it gold. And then the player can spend gold to train themselves and level up, or they can spend gold to learn new abilities, and the player has to like make that decision. And then the town hall will give you like your choice of a meal, or you can rest at the inn. And so a meal will just buff your stats for like the next couple of stages, and then resting at the inn just fully heals your fully heals you back up to max health. So if you were pretty dicey the round before, or the stages before, then you can just heal immediately. It's kind of broken right now because because you just always have heal, and heal is always based off of attack, so you just heal yourself all the way up. And then so I also, to go back into the stat distribution stuff that I eventually want to do, I want we have enemy archetypes. I can show that in code. Basic. Yeah, so we have, go to the definition. So yeah, what I did here is that like we have enemy actions 0 through 9 right now, and so this just has this is just saying, do a defend. So let's see, what is this, 1/4 or 4 out of 10 times it has a chance of defending, and then 6 out of 10 times it has a chance of attacking. Oh, hello Terrace, how's it going? So yeah, we have the basic archetype, we have a charge archetype, which has a chance to do the charge ability. We have a cleric. I gave the enemy the ability to heal. Do I have anything else? Oh yeah, we have a boss, which we did the charge or heal that we already had. And now that simplified, because we did that, I can simplify the decide enemy action. I want to keep it data driven like this. But yeah, basically we just say action, we just get a random value of like what they're choosing. But yeah, in the future, I think we're gonna have more information for the enemies of like, how much damage do they think they did, how aggressive they are, and like different other like stats we can tune for these different archetypes, and they will make better decisions based off of that. So if they're highly aggressive and they have full health, then they will attack more. If they're more cowardly, then maybe they will try to attack and overestimate their abilities, but once they receive damage, they become very reserved or something. I don't know. So yeah, we got that, and yeah, we were factoring away. So now we don't have boss stuff. We just populate this with the boss archetype, and I like this way better because we didn't have to have a function for every enemy, and hopefully we'll be able to extend this in the future, so like they can make smart decisions based off of probabilities, like I said, and what little information they have about the battle. Oh, that's cold now. Well, room temperature. Okay, and then also I did the town hall revamp. Kind of already showed that off, but I will show it off again. Changed this a lot so you can eat meals and they give you a buffer set stage count, and I also fixed some bugs when you reset. Oops. Yeah, when you died and you reset the game, it was not it was not working correctly. There was a lot of stuff broken, so I fixed that too. That's basically what I've been working on the past week. Here, let me show more of it off. I don't know if I should do this or what. But today I might work on that stat distribution stuff just to make it feel more gooder, because I don't like how the stats are right now. I can just kill you. Okay, so we have like this level up. So we have the current player level, the experience, and then the cost level. That goes up exponentially, and the player stats also go up exponentially. So this is before max health, current, and this is after. So before it was 787, and now it's 898. I think the first level is more better because it's 66. Oh, that's current health. I should be printing max health, but I think it's 1265, and so max goes up by 2. And we keep the ratio, and then we go up by 2 on that, but only 1 on the next one. And then yeah, you just don't have enough experience for anymore. And then we have a meal of attack, meal of defense. That only lasts a couple, and then restore health, and you can only choose 1. Attack is always good, and then you continue when you're done. Yeah, so that's what I want to fix, because why did we just go from having weak enemies that had like 4 health to this enemy that just had 13 health? Oh, did they make... Okay, yeah, so they had the max roll, and what did they got pretty high on the other rolls too. Right, like basically near perfect. So I might fix that today. I can't kill him in 1 turn. You're gonna kill me? Fuck. Okay. Also renamed it to stages. I know I mentioned that before, but a few people joined. Dang, they just got a shit roll. They did 1 damage and I wasn't even defending. What's my max? Okay, max is 15, so don't heal. Jeez, why does he have 10-10? I guess he's just defending, so that's good. Basics like to defend a lot. Maybe I should tone. Oh my gosh, what? Alright, well, let's balance this, because that's annoying. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait on these. I wanted to do these. Maybe I should do mana to kind of help limit fireball and the heal spam. But yeah, the goal this weekend is to get some of this feeling pretty decent. I know player communication is very poor right now. Like, you don't know how much experience you've gotten. You don't know that when you eat the meal, you also heal for a percentage of your, I think it's 5% of your max health. yeah, there's just a lot of player communication stuff that I probably need to do, but I think we're going to work on this today. And then I don't know. Yeah, I was thinking about this, where they choose to level up a stat like their health or their strength or their constitution or whatever I decide, whatever stats I decide, and that like increases their level, and like when they increase one of those points, then the cost to update any other point goes up, exactly like Souls-like games. But I don't know, I might just make it a player level, and then the players can build based off of purchasing abilities, like their build will be abilities. Whoop. But yeah, I don't know. We're gonna use stat distribution for enemies because that's super annoying. Let's go to here. So how do I want to do this? I also might want to make the player level up better. Oh, I guess that's okay, sure. We already do that here. Should I make this? Definitely make these constants. That's future Twig's problem though. Okay, and then where is change turn? Oh, is that doing it wrong? This might be doing it wrong. Maybe that's just the entire problem. Maybe we don't need to do stat distribution. Maybe I'm just an idiot. Because yeah, this should be the base, right? 6542. I don't think I want to add it. I don't think I should be adding it. Let me just debug this real quick, because I don't think that was the intended behavior. Let's see, stats, four, oh, it'd help if I actually fed all that in. Health. Whew, I'm slow today. I'm not feeling spry. Oops, I don't need that anymore. Terminal. Okie dokie. That's good. Oh, it's a cleric. Another cleric. Doing so much damage. Yeah, you heal your 2 health. Oh, where is this? Oh, bruh. I'm already printing it out. Whoops. Oh, yeah, because I printed it out here. Okay. So then... I don't think it's supposed to be at that. So what floor are we on? Group number 1. Oh, should we be at 1? Oh, okay, I see. We should be on 2 because we start at 1. That's where we use it. Where do we initialize? 6542. Set stats. Is that correct? We pass in 0 as X. And add 6. Right, but 1 is going to be whatever 1 to the 1.25 is. Yeah, I think this is wrong. Hold on, we'll just fucking try it. And this was a waste. No. Close this. Whoopsies. Alrighty. And I have to remember. Yep, that's how you get out. Build. Whoopsies. Those lucky rolls. Another one. Oh, to attack. Yeah, we gamble. Oh, I'm so good. Got super lucky throughout this whole thing. Good run. Okay, so that went up a little bit, right? Yeah, okay. I think that's a little better. Okay, so maybe that was just the entire problem. We probably should use stat distribution. But I don't think I wanted it to increase that much. New attack. Okay, so now, oh, well, maybe we need to play with the numbers a little bit. We'll see how this feels. We'll see if this is even playable right now. I understand that the player is a little overpowered. We did 3 damage. Was I at 15? I was at 15. Super overpowered for those 3 stages because I hit the attack buff and that just fell off. You can see the buff expired over here. Oh, I probably don't want that in visual mode. So, oh, okay, that's the boss. Oh, fuck, what the hell? Alright, so you gotta prepare for the boss, but the boss is a little easier. No, you bitch. Okay, I'll stop being dumb. Okay, you defended, so I can do this. You defended, I probably need to heal so I don't get one-shotted again. Oh, I should have paid attention. 5. Okay, I was like, fuck. Okay, we made it, boys. Heal a little bit. Fireball. Fireball again. Again. Okay, now we need to defend. Because he means business. And we need to heal. Probably should have healed before our buff dropped off. That would have been smart. What's my max? 16? Okay. Whoops. My watch bumped the mic. Sorry for destroying anyone's ear holes. Boom. Oh, that's the boss. He just immediately attacks. What a dick. Yeah, I don't know if I can do anything. Oh, okay. That's what we're doing. Okay, perfect. So he's beatable. It's just not very engaging. Because before it was just impossible. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Okay, so I think I can only level up twice every time. That kind of sucks. Yeah, I think I'm just awarding 25 no matter the difficulty. So things I want to do with that in the future is if you can kill an enemy in fewer turns, you get the maximum amount, and if it takes you a little more turns, then you get less. So if you one-shot an enemy, you might get 30 experience, but if it took you like 2 or 3 turns to kill it, or actually it takes you like 5 turns to kill it, you might get like 18 experience. With like 18 being like the lowest that you can go, because you still get some, just not as much as you would have if you were smart. If you were potentially smart. Yeah. What is the floor? Any floor 4, 8, 7, 6. Okay, so right now I think we outpace them by quite a bit. But they might need to be buffed a little bit. Oh, because I think they're only leveling up once, where I'm leveling up twice per town hall. I also have a buff, but... Okay, so I mean I still have to kind of... think a little bit. My buff run out. Or just lame this dude out. What is he? Oh, they're a charge type. Okay. Wait until they defend or charge, I guess. Which is maybe why we should have resource limits, because you actually have to think about this instead of just kind of cheesily, okay, defend, cool, I think I can just one-shot this dude. Cool, and we moved on to 15. I think I can also one-shot that dude. Oh, did I already lose my attack buff before I got him? Oh. Okay, so we have 162. 1, 2. Yeah, so we can only get 2. Which doesn't feel like you're powering up, but again, like, so we're level 7, and I think they're on 1, 2 effectively, because they start at 0 technically. I guess a player does too. Oh, I guess both the player. So yeah, so the tripping over my words. So I don't use that exponential function until you level up. So you just start with those stats that I initially set out. So the player, I think that's 12, 6, and 5, and then the enemies have a range. And then once you get to the town hall, the player can level up twice, from 1 to 2, or sorry, to 3. But they only level up from 1 to 2, and then when you get to the town hall again after beating the boss, you can level up from, the player levels up from 3 to 5, but they go from 2 to 3. And if we do that again, what will that be? It will be 7, and they will be 4. Yeah, so you do get a gap. And if you get more experience, if the player gets more experience for like more difficult, like I said, it's only, I think 20, maybe 25 per kill, no matter what stage you're on, no matter how many times, how many turns it took. Then yeah, like if you award more experience as they get tougher, then you'll be easily able to outpace any of the enemies. But that's balance. So let's see, what is this? He is 4, 5, and then 9. And we're 17, 22, and 21. So what am I? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're 18 attack, 21 health. We're buffed. Also the meals just give you a flat bonus. So they just give you, I think 4 attack. It doesn't scale per the stage, which is also something you probably want to do. So I can basically just one-shot everything with Fireball. Oh, I do kind of have to pay attention. Oh, but I can kill you, and this is the second boss. Not very threatening, more threatening. I think I kind of have to think. Oh, that was perfect. Oh, that's doubly perfect. Okay, and then 1, 2. Yeah, I think the current rate, I think there will be a point in here where the cost to level and the amount of experience that I have like kind of evens out. Just because we're not getting more experience than the 20 or 25 per round. Oh yeah, there's no feedback over there. I just had this debug, not enough experience. I should probably gray it out like I do the other buttons. I think that'd be nice. And then what is 7, 11, 10, 9. Okay, that's behaving more what I think it should be doing, but the problem is that the player just outpaces them. Wow. Wow. It did 5 damage. Was that 29? It did 4 damage, yeah, okay. Yeah, so now this is just pretty easy, he says as he gets hit extremely hard. Yeah, so the leftover that I have is getting shorter and shorter, smaller and smaller. So there will be a time where I can only level up once. And we'll do that. I probably should have just restored all of my health. That became beneficial because the food doesn't give me a scaling buff. It just gives me the flat 4 for 3 turns. I don't know if I want like a Monster Hunter minigame. I think Monster Hunter had this, where you chose ingredients, right? And that would change how it would change exactly what it would give you. Like you'd still get like a buff or like the type of buff that you want, but I think it would make it more powerful if you had better ingredients. Was this Monster Hunter? Can't remember. Was this Worlds? I feel like it was Monster Hunter. I could swear it's Monster Hunter. But yeah, I don't know if I want like an ingredient like mini game. I'm not talking about the spit mini game. I'm talking like before you're out on a mission in Monster Hunter. I'm pretty sure you eat food, and I'm pretty sure I thought there was in one iteration you got to like choose the ingredients or something. I can't remember though. Doesn't matter. Let's see what this boss looks like. Oh shit. Not the boss, but okay. Cute. Oh wow. Okay, so the boss is comparable to me. Not exactly. Oh shit. Never mind. The boss ain't shit. Okay, so I can still level up twice here. So maybe the next one, we're gonna restore health. Oh, that's broken. I guess I've never restored health before. I wonder if that doesn't switch to I think that should be false. Oh no, I think wait, what? Oh, that's right. Okay, so that shouldn't be happening. And then, because we made the continue button. Yeah, okay, so we were still in processing. Oh, I wonder, I bet I could have clicked where the continue button was. Do I still have it up? Okay, yeah, so that worked. So we were rendering the battle scene, the next battle scene, but we were still in process town hall. So we didn't see any of the buttons, but they were all active. And that's because we told, when we selected restore health, it told the renderer to draw the battle scene. Because before I had that cluster of buttons just advance the game for you. Because those were the only decisions you can make. You can only choose one of those, and then as soon as you did, it moved it to the next one. But when I added the player leveling, I was like, oh, like you could just accidentally choose the thing that's right in front of you in the center, and then like you don't have an opportunity to level up. So I made a continue button. But I forgot to update that restore health button to do the correct thing. That was fun. So we might, I don't know, do we want? So I do about 15 damage, right? No, I do way more than 15 damage. Can I only level up once here? Yeah, okay. That's cool. Heal myself because I can do that. I wonder if I lower the player stats. Because yeah, I do like, what's 70% of 40? Like 30 something. 33. Probably not, but it sounds right. Oh, this is the boss. Oh, I do 35 damage. Oh fuck. Okay. Well, that's good to know. Okay, well, I feel like stat distribution might not be what we want. Where, oh, I probably just wanted to go back here. No, where was process? Shit. Process. I'm gonna do the level up button. Oh, did I increase this? No. Oh, I fixed that. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, well let me change that to be more in line with 25. Okay, yep, no, you're right. We need to make that a constant. Thank you for reminding me, chat. Let's just slap this bitch here. Const. What is the float? Player stat exponent. He says confidently. Oops, back. Yank. Oh, I guess I just do all that. Okay. Does that compile? Sweet. Oh, let's get rid of this. I don't want this anymore. Build. Terminal. Alrighty. Let's see where we're at. Oh, I couldn't have killed him. He has 5 health. Why does he have 1 health? How does he have 1 health? That's impossible. He can't have 1 health. I almost misclicked that. That would have been tragic. Okay, so level up twice. What are we at? 1498. I don't know if that changed that much. Attack, because that affects us greatly. Oh, that was the wrong choice. 97 damage. I do. Okay, so I don't have a buff. I don't think I can kill him. What did he do? Defend? Can I heal? Oh, 15. That was dumb. Attack. Might be able to. Nope. Fireball. Hadouken. Oh, Jesus. I should have been paying more attention. Oh, thank Jesus. Yo, you fuck. Oh, shit. Yay for defense. You bitch. Okay, he got a shit roll. That's good. Alright, that was intense. Oh, maybe I should have healed. 19, no, I'm good. Defense. Yeah, okay, I can kill him. Oh, I should make a stat exponent for the enemies. kill? Yeah, it does. We got 16. I'm at 13. 17. 16. That is so much higher than the other ones. Than the enemies. Was that a boss? Yeah, oh, I didn't even realize it was a boss. All right, let's play with this a little bit. Let's do the same thing for enemies. Let's make that 4. Yank. No, I wanted that. Oops. Alrighty. I was also kind of thinking how is he 1? I don't think he should be 1. I was also thinking maybe you start at the town hall. Oh shit. Oh no, we're good. Maybe you start at the town hall, and like if you use gold to level up and also purchase abilities, maybe you can like, maybe you have a little bit, but you can also take out a loan from someone, and like you go out and you adventure, and then you come back, or you go to the next town hall, and like you have to pay the guy some of the loan amount each time you go to the town hall plus interest. I'm not trying to like set up a whole mortgage amortization schedule or anything like that. It would just be like a simple like, oh, I'm gonna loan you 200 gold, that'll like level you up twice and you can buy an ability, but you're gonna pay me back total like 250 over the next like 3 town halls. It would like limit your funds in the next 3, but you'd be super powerful. I'm also kind of trying to think of how, like, where I want this game to go. So I thought it was ready for like people to play, test, either put it up on my coffee page. Oh shit, I'm fucking dead. I forgot to heal. And also kind of give it to some of my friends to see what they think, but I don't know. I'm kind of having doubts right now of like what. Oh yeah, I need to. Whoops. Let me. Ugh. I had Taco Bell for lunch, and it's not good. defended. You got a shit roll. Damage, you did 1 damage. Alright, level. Attack, continue. 4-6, what are the... It's 3, 7, 6, 5. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, well let's see if the next group levels up more. Cleric. What do they do? Heal. Defend. Ooh, need to pay attention. Attack. Yeah, that was a good roll. Unless this guy kills me. He does not. I think I just die if he keeps attacking me. I just have to heal, I think. Defend here. Can I attack? Big attack. Okay, cool. I think I win. Yeah. Level up. I think that's all I can do. And then I'm going to, yeah, like that. And then I'm gonna heal immediately. Perfect. I think I can one shot. Excellent. Oh, what was the? 4, 8, 7, 6. Yeah, I think I need it to level up more quickly. I think I need their stats to curve faster. Let's see what the next one brings. Or 6. Okay, there we go. There's a jump. 6, 7, yep, it's 2 on everything. Okay, so that's good, but I don't think that's enough. Because I think he got a real good roll on this. Like, he almost got... Alright, 7. He almost got max defense, he got decent attack, and he got almost maximum health. So... this should be challenging, but I'm just gonna like one-shot him. Right. Okay, so I think we need to tweak because they don't level up as much. Now that I made that new slick variable. Oops, 5. Oh, cool. Do we just double this? I should honestly just look at something. Oh yeah, I have a coffee page if anyone wants to donate. We're gonna donate to some FOSS projects, I think. I've been also working on Endless RPG a lot, so I might change this goal for like the 5th time since I started streaming a couple months ago, 2 months ago. So that might go towards actual art assets to the game instead of FOSS projects. I might still like donate to FOSS, or I'm probably going to donate to FOSS once I have some money. I'm supposed to get a bonus sometime soon. So I think we're going to do that on my own at least. But yeah, if you wanted to support me and maybe help some of the software that I use, then you can. And then stay tuned for if that project updates. And if you enjoy watching me stream the Endless RPG, that's just a code name, by the way, I'm not going to release with that, then feel free to donate there whenever I decide to change that over to actually support the project instead of other people's projects. Is this the... no, that's not what it is. Why do you take any longer than a second to load? What are you doing? Oh, I don't want any of this. What was my formula? X is gonna give it to you. 0.8. Yeah, I think that's what it is. And then I have like a plus whatever it is, 6. Yeah. What the fuck is all this shit? Go away. Did I paste? Oopsies. God damn it. Stop. Where's 1? Oh, that's dumb. 7. And then 2 is 9. And then 3 is 13. Okay, that might work. What is 6 though? Okay, so their health. Sure, that might be good. Oh. Alright, so now they can be, okay, 3, 7, okay, so it moved up by 1 again. That is not what we just looked at, right? No, it is right. 6 is going to be 6, and then at 1, it moves up to 7, right? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And then 2 is when it really picks up. It goes from 7 to 9, so that's a 2 increase. Okay. After this, after the boss, then it gets... Oh, I needed a fucking heal. Good, we got lucky. Shoot this dude. We're gonna heal again because our buff runs out. Oh, perfect, he defended too. Our buff ran out. That's another thing, we don't have communication on that at all. When that buff runs out, when you eat it, it doesn't even tell you that, oh hey, this lasts 3 turns. Also, it only increases by 4, and that doesn't scale with the stage that you're on. Oh, he might fucking kill me. Oh, perfect. Get a little fireball in. I can kill. No. Okay, I think I can kill him now. Yeah. Oh. Gonna heal. Oh, oops, I didn't even check. 4 or 5, 9. Okay, what was it? 3. Okay, yeah, so it jumped up a little bit. Okay, this might be fine because it's kind of war of attrition. So yeah, you kind of. I don't want it to just be spam fireball until my buff runs out or I run out of health. I kind of want to think about things, or have to think about things. Okay, cool. Maybe I try to defend. Oh, okay. Well, that was dumb. Die. He didn't die, did he? Yeah, he did. Let's heal. Okay. That one shot you. Now that I have 13, what's 70% of 13? Probably more than 8. Yeah, it was. He heal or defend? Oh, it was the enemy. 9, 13. Okay, yeah. 5. Wow, it went up by 4. Okay, so this is... the potential is bigger. Oh no, okay, yeah, 9, 13, 12, 11. Okay. But I think I can still one-shot them. Yeah. That's not really fun. Their attacks are more potent. I have to watch out for that. Oh, I should have healed because I still had the buff. I still don't think it matters. This guy is gonna be, yeah, kind of a big old meanie. He has the potential to just one-shot me. Oh, fuck. Okay, I have 16 defense. Jesus, that was still fun. Damage before mid was 30. I mitigated 15, so I took 15. Cool. Wow. So that got hard. Stand up. Alright, well I'm gonna stand up and then go to the bathroom, and then I think I'm good on water, and then, yeah, I'll be back. Where's the bucket? Where'd the bucket go? Oh, right there. Whoopsies. I don't know. How do you get a chalkboard color? Like a chalky chalk. Something like that. B. Whoops, that was a weird B. Alright, bathroom break. Be right back. I'll mute the mic. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Let's see. So we fixed that bug. Let's see what 0.6 is actually. Nine still. Doesn't seem like a big change. That's gonna get truncated to 11. 2. Oh, that's 4. Okay, maybe this would be a little bit better. Yeah, you heal. That's another thing. I think this game would be a little better if they weren't so fucking dumb. They're just random right now. They just like choose a random thing to do. So they're not like intelligent at all. But did he just win the lottery? Oh no. Almost, basically. Ooh, what was I at? I didn't even pay attention. Rated? Whoa. Hello. Rated with a party of 25. Wow, cool, thank you. Everyone's staring. Thank you. Take to cap. Takey Dev. Or she. Oh, ooh, everyone's staring. Well, hello there. Yeah, endless RPG. Playing around with it. It might not be endless because I don't think that will be good or fun. Yeah. So right now I'm kind of working on enemy balance and some general mechanics. I have quite a bit done, but it's not really where I'd like it to be. Did I fuck up? No. Should be able to one-shot this dude. Yeah, so basically play stages, so 1 through 5. This is made with raylib. Yes, it is. It's C and raylib. Oh, I guess I could update that. I did a breakout test before I actually implemented this game just to see how I like raylib. But yeah, I didn't update the window title, obviously. Yeah, so we can you basically go through like a 5 stages, and then you go to the town hall, and in the town hall you can level up, eat food, purchase new abilities, which I haven't done yet, and do other stuff which I haven't figured out yet. And then after you do all that, then you go back out to another 5 levels. Every 10th, or you do another 5 stages, and every 10th stage is a boss. And it's right now kind of a war of attrition kind of a game, where I want it to be a little more tactical, and you kind of have to make decisions and stuff like that, but I'm still working on the balance of it all, because it's kind of just easy to get through, unless you're not paying attention sometimes. But yeah, like I hate that I can just one-shot all of these dudes. Maybe Fireball is just too strong, maybe I need to increase their stats, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I've just been playing it a bunch today. Been working on it for the past, I don't know, month or so. Oh, I needed to defend. Just kidding, I killed him. It's fine. I should have defended there. So when he turned yellow, he does a charge attack, and I think that is, yeah, 1.5 times normal damage that he does. There's also no death animation, so anytime I kill someone, the stage counter will go up, and this immediately turns into a new enemy, but I don't have any art or anything like that. So right now this is the boss, and that's reflected by his stats. So what did he do? I didn't even... He didn't charge, he must have defended. So we're gonna attack him. That's gonna hurt. Oh, he had a shit roll. Perfect. I think I can just win here. Okay. Usually it's a little, boss fights are a little more intense. But I got lucky there. Also I have like meals. I kind of want these to be similar to Monster Hunter, where they increase your stats for a little bit. Right now they just do a flat 4 for attack or a flat 4 for defense, and they only last 3 stages. I don't know if that's going to be an unlock where you can make it so they last more stages, or they increase damage, and I'm sure I'm going to add, once I add better stats like strength and int and stuff like that, we're going to have food for all of those as well. Basic. Yes, he just likes attacking. Okay, these guys are getting tougher. That's good. That's really good. Perfect. The fireball goes through a defense, but it only does 70% of your attack. So it's nice for, I might need to tone that down a little bit. But when you do an attack, it does like between half of your attack value to full of attack value, and it makes a roll between that value. It chooses a random number in between those values. I believe that's inclusive, so I guess it's not in between, but you get it. Okay, I have to defend because he's charging. Holy shit. 18, and I only mitigated 7. How did I only mitigate 7? Oh, because it's a random. That's right. So mitigation's half. So I just did a terrible roll on that one. Because it would have been, I think it would have been 7. Because these are all ints right now, and so I just truncate. They just get truncated. So it's defense divided by 2, and then defense value. So it'd be like 7, between 7 and 15 is what I can mitigate. So I rolled 7, so he still did 11 damage to me. I think I have to heal because if he fucking does that again, hopefully. Okay, I did 11 this time. How did he do? Oh, he must have hit way harder. Damage, one fire. Okay. I'm gonna heal. He defends so I can fireball. He defends again so I can kill him. Okay. So it requires a little more strategy, but it's super basic, and I don't like how all this goes. So I think I just need to tune everything a little bit more to make it more of a dynamic fight instead of the player just one-shotting everything until they get to the boss, and the boss one-shots the player, so the player just has to play super cautious and cheesy, and basically leverages the randomness of the boss. Because right now the enemies don't do anything intelligent, they just roll a die and decide what to do, essentially. So they will do dumb things like defend when they don't really need to defend, or they'll just keep attacking, or they'll heal themselves when they're full health, which is stupid. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now, is kind of like the stats and the feel of the game. Yeah. Yeah, so these yield as their first action the cleric archetype, and they were at full health. So defending smart. I don't want to say smart, it's acceptable. Okay, I guess I just one-shot that dude. Okay, so after this, they should be way more closer to me. Yeah, they're a little closer to me. I don't think I can. Oh, I can still one-shot. Oh, but they're threatening. Yeah, maybe I just need to tone down the damage. Thanks for the follow. Cappy. Cap 1, Cappy, to Cappy. Thank you. T-cap. Oh, T-cap. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That's good. Defense value 22. 13 damage. Okay, cool. Wow. Yeah, see, that's the other thing. That was a charge enemy type, and like, I just have so much defense that it's just dumb. Oh. Wow. Wasn't prepared for that. I almost tanked it. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to give everyone a little health and a little less attack. And defense. Oops. So we've got to be 8. Attacks 4, 3. Just make that 3. Yeah, we'll see how that feels. Oops, hi. There we go. Okay, so if I get lucky, I can one-shot this dude. Didn't get lucky. 4. Oh, maybe I should lower the fireball's damage. Defended, so I should one-shot that guy. Defended, but they have more health. I think I should still fireball. How much damage? Or maybe I heal. Oh, that was big. Okay, I think I'm still gonna lower the fireball damage a little bit. I do like the changes that I made. I think I attack more. Game dev, nice, yeah. Blender dumbass, same. I am super dumb when it comes to Blender. Yeah, sorry if you're on Owncast, it's not in my chat history at all. I haven't fucked with it to put in. I wanted to put in like the Twitch and the YouTube chat like down here and the Owncast stuff up here. Nice. Yeah, I enjoy game dev. I'm not very good at streaming. It takes a lot out of me to like talk, basically. But yeah, I do enjoy the support from people. Yeah, multiple platforms. I'm on Twitch, YouTube, and then my own cast server. No one watches on YouTube at all. No one even watches the VODs, so I basically just do it because I don't want to record. Hopefully my YouTube channel never gets taken down, but because that's where all my backups are. But yeah, I don't think too much about it. I need a heal. What's my max health? 14. Oh, maybe I don't need a heal. Maybe I just need a kill. And then pray that the boss doesn't one-shot me. Okay. Alright, this is a little better. He said way too soon. Okay, not bad. Okay, 6 damage after the Mollusk Fire. Man, they must have had a shit roll. I made a movie in Blender. It took me a while. I was streaming it to Odyssey when it still supported to be pro freedom and stuff. Oh, is it not? Is Odyssey not FOSS anymore? I had to record everything manually. Bought a huge external hard drive. With the recordings too after I recorded them. Not fast, just large. Yeah, I do have one. I use it for like backups and stuff, but I think it's a terabyte. I don't know how much my streams are if I save to disk. But yeah, I might do something like that. I'm sure like a USB-C or a USB 3 hard drive probably doesn't take. A big one probably isn't too expensive. Shit, what did he do? He just did discharge attack. Can I die? I don't think I can die. I'm gonna fireball. Maybe I should have attacked. Oh, this bitch. Oh, that was a pretty good attack. Okay, perfect. Fireball. Still release the source code, but since the lawsuit, they want completely in a different direction. They are officially ditching LBRY now. I don't know what LBRY is. Content freedom. Oh, okay. Blockchain-based file sharing and payment network. Oh, okay. Interesting. Fireballs. Yeah, it's the fireball. The fireballs are a fireball. Okay, that was rough. I think I need to heal immediately with that buffed attack. That was a good roll. That was also a good roll. I also am going to heal. Right now, Python. So you do CPP. I'm in C right now. Yeah, I used to do CPP. I do CPP at work because I'm in Unreal Engine. But yeah, I'm trying C just to see if the just explore the different paradigms. Get away from object oriented and see how a more procedural / functional mixture is. I did do Python. Oh yeah, that's just the, oh whoops, yeah, that's just the folder I put it into. The actual build file uses Clang, not Clang++. And then I'm on std. Let me go to that. I'm on C11. So it's in the CPP folder. Yeah, I didn't feel like making a C folder just for this one project. I do have a lot of other CPP projects in there, but yeah, that is false. Bunch of JSON. Yeah, that's for ClangD. That's the LSP for C and C++. Uh-oh. I was afraid he was going to kill me. Oh, now he might definitely kill me. Wait, what did he do? Oh, he had a terrible roll. Oh wow, I had a perfect roll. I like JSON because its syntax is very close to Dix and Python. Yeah. Yeah, I was using Pygame a little bit ago with Python. Yeah, it's okay. I don't like Python that much. I like my what is it? Strict type system. Yeah, I usually use an engine for 3D games though. Mostly Unreal. But none of my hobby games are 3D right now. Did I level up? Yes, I did. I need a heal. Oh, maybe I don't. 22. Yeah, maybe I should. Okay. Oh, I should have healed last turn because I had a buff. This is a basic enemy. It's a cleric. No, it's charge. Also going to attack. Nice. Okay, they defended, so I need a fireball. Uh-oh, shit, that might hurt. Fuck. Ah, shit, okay, defend. Okay, perfect. I'm going to attack. Yeah, that was a lucky roll. I'm trying to do something stupid. I'm making a 3D open world game with a story mode. It is seamless. No cutscenes, no menus, no loading screens. All of this, and a copy left. PNG engine without Windows support. Because why not? Wow. Oh. Oh, is this what the Blender engine turned into? Oh, sick. Oh, it has a... Oh, that's sick. I wish I could make that bigger. Visual scripting, that's what I was trying to say. Okay. Real-time renderer. Render the in-game graphics. This stuff looks very cool. Yeah, this looks really cool. Oh wow, they have augmented reality, or extended reality. Yeah, this looks really cool. Yeah, I'm in blueprints a lot all day, and sometimes I'm just like, I would rather just code this. But it's nice. It looks like you can make your own logic nodes, so if you want to like support a designer. GPL, it's the fork of the Blender. Oh, nice. Object brick system, object node system. Components or modules can be attached to game modules. Each one serves a specific purpose. No program knowledge is required to use them. Such knowledge is necessary to develop new or custom components. Yeah, this looks really cool. I knew that they did, or that they had one and they like got rid of it. I didn't realize that someone else like forked it or took the reins. That's really neat. I think Raylib also added 3D stuff. I'm not going to open that up on stream just yet, just in case. Also, probably should have. Okay, cool. Could have been a virus.
Sorry, I don't want to turn on camera today. Anyway, so.
Cool, yeah. Made a racing game in it. That's neat. Yeah, I'll watch that later. That's really cool. What distro are you in? Is that a Ubuntu? Yeah, that's cool. I'll check that out. Oh, Pop OS. Okay, nice. Idea of a publication platform that maybe potentially in the future will bring money to free liberal software developers. Meanwhile, no, I did it with no money. I think the next game update I will be pushing on this thing is running right now. Nice. The idea is to have goals before the file is even published. Now, for example, I have a test publication that will be released when I get 10 subscribers on Peer 2. I already have 9. Basically, as soon as it and my computer will know it and upload the files to archive.org. Interesting. That's pretty cool. Is this Claire? Did he heal? Oh shit, it's the boss. Fuck. I'm dead. Too. Active pub. Is that like why can I not think of it? Fediverse. Let's see. I think that's a little bit better. I like the pacing now. You have better decisions to make and more. What is it, like Mastodon? Is like a federated social network. And then I think it was Odyssey. I don't know if Odyssey. I thought Peer 2 was 2. Whoops. Federation. Okay. I guess I have that blocked. Alrighty, well. Yeah, Peer 2 is on the same network as Mastodon. Okay, yeah. Cool. I was trying to subscribe to your channel, and it was like, you should log in, and I was like, can I? Work. Get your Mastodon. Cool. It's an ad. Oh, because .org. Whoopsies. Cool. Followed. Haha. I did it. Yeah, 100%. Oh. Yeah, no problem. That's what I'm here for. Helping you find bugs. Okay. Did not do that at all. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet. We started the script and suddenly it does upload. Nice. Cool. Oh, the reflections are really good. Is that a rendered image? I assume, since it's in Blender. What did I think it needed? A data driven. The image is rendered in cycles. Okay, cool. Oh, wrong order in the code. Assets from so I did optimize them a bit for the game. The game is a sequel to the movie. Oh, cool. Nice, nice, nice. So I completely forgot what I meant by this. I assume making the ability system not be player or enemy specific, and if I have a generic animation system or a more data-driven animation system where it doesn't really need to know if it's an enemy or a player, it just has the associated sprite collection with it, and it just tries to play whatever animation is needed for that ability, and that'll also kind of also rely on this. Well, I guess not. It'd be nice to have this just so I'm not having to keep laying out the UI every time. I'd like it to kind of handle all that for me. I think there's a raylib GUI. Yeah. Oh, is this part of? Oh, no, extra libraries. Pretty sure math is included. This and this are included, but they're not standalone. Yeah, they're characters right now. I showed this in the beginning, but yeah, they're just like these sprite sheets that I have. I just made these in, I think, GIMP and Krita. But yeah, like once I get actual art, there'll be like an actual like player, whatever the player is, and then I have archetypes for these enemies. So yeah, I have a basic archetype and like a charge archetype and a cleric. So the charge has the charge attack that we saw. Cleric can heal if it wants, and then bosses can do a charge or heal. They do it slightly more intelligently. But yeah, once I figure out what these archetypes are and what oh, probably. But so the point of that, if you're referring to like the sprite sheets. Oh yeah, probably. Yeah, but like I wanted these to be like in the image because I wanted to see if I was showing the right frame for the attack animation. So that's why I put these in text, was to make sure that I was like, oh, okay, like we are animating from attack 1 frame to 2 frame to 3 frame, 4 frame, 5 frame. But yeah, like for a lot of the other stuff, except for the characters, everything else is like in engine text. Oh, I guess the fireball as well. But yeah, once I have, yeah, so like I just wanted it to like represent an actual like sprite sheet for like an attack, a swing of the sword, or like a running animation or whatever, and I just needed to make sure that I was animating in engine. Yeah, I'm not an artist, so making those assets are more difficult for me. But I know that there's free assets out there, like Creative Commons free assets out there, so I might switch to those here pretty quick. Oh, he left pretty quickly. High suspicious hammer. Buy suspicious hammer. Yeah, I'm kind of slowing down for today. I did some balance work. Kind of explained what I've been doing the past week. Yeah, that's a good idea. Making some asset packs for like Creative Commons stuff. Yeah, I know a lot of people do that. But I think I'm gonna call it a day for today. I'll probably stream tomorrow. Yeah, not sure what I'm gonna work on tomorrow. I'll think about that later tonight. But yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna log off. I hope everyone enjoys their day and you all stay cool. Unless you're like on the North and South Pole. Probably cold there, but almost everywhere else it's super freaking hot. So yeah, later everyone. Bye bye. Thanks for the raid. If the raiders are still here, I enjoyed your stares. Made me super self-conscious. Okay, yeah, will do. All right, later everyone.